Right here, you're looking at my tweets. I lost my cool. Sorry about the picture again, but I have to remind these jerks, I almost said the wrong word. I'm trying to do paperwork for my government-sponsored injuries. Stop zapping me, all right? And then the second tweet, when I'm praying for POTUS, Donald Trump, I get electronically zapped by government antichrist. And then the last tweet on the bottom, give it a rest. The government chokehold and 24/7, 365 government bully has to stop. The government bullying has to stop. But this is bizarre. No, honestly, this is bizarre. I mean, I have better things to talk about than to say every time I pick up, I get a stack of mail from the hospital, from the state, whatever. I'm trying to get whatever help I can get. A stack of mail, a lot of things to fill out. And what's going on? Constant zapping where I can't even finish reading a paragraph. Then I got to go to Twitter, and they've succeeded in stealing almost 3 days of my life by not letting me get into any paperwork by doing it. Anyway, so I had to get that off my chest. And then I have a couple tweets here, which is important before I bring Karen on in about 1 more minute. All right, here's the first tweet. First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, right? So I tweet, I have constitutional rights, First Amendment, to pray and read my Bible without being government harassed. That's the First Amendment. What's this? Third Amendment, what's that all about? No soldier shall in time of peace be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Maybe it is prescribed by law, but my answer was, I have a Third Amendment right to keep military satellite intelligence out of my house. And you notice I send it to Rand Paul also, and this one I sent to the Army and Navy. I don't really care what they think. It's the Fourth Amendment. How about the Fourth Amendment? Everyone knows that. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, hospital papers, and efforts against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and so forth, blah, 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 on. I just want to hurry up and get to Karen, but I wrote, I have a Fourth Amendment right to keep government thugs from monitoring my hospital papers, which is bizarre. And then the Eighth Amendment. What's the Eighth Amendment all about? Cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. I have an Eighth Amendment right saying no cruel and unusual punishment inflicted by government thugs. I also send that to Rand Paul, Ted Cruz. They're constitutionalists. So that's it. Let's bring on Karen Stewart. Hello, Karen. Are you there?
Yes, I am. Hello, Phil.
Hi, Karen. I'm assuming that you heard the last 5 minutes or so, correct?
Yes, and I wanted to tell you I am so very sorry that for the injury that put you in the hospital especially. I mean, this is not the only thing that's gone on with these idiots torturing you for nothing, but I wanted to tell you how very sorry I was that you received such a horrible injury, and I have been praying for you to have a complete and full recovery.
Karen, I appreciate that.